She's so cute. Sometimes she gets really nervous and she doesn't want to leave my hand, which is like a combination of all the cutest things. But also it's kind of sad because she does, like I said, she's nervous to be out on her own, even though all the other three are locked up. Hey, everything's okay. That looks nice. I literally can't get her off my hand. I'm not complaining because her feathers feel so soft and nice. She's getting all over me. Where are you going, babe? Yum, 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 yum. She's like, nah, I don't like that bit. I'll have these little bits there. Can I have some corn? The other three are upset because they feel like they have claim to this tub. Not today. This is her turn.